It's time for some good food, some good friends. We're probably going to have a drink and have a really good time.
Cheers. Cheers. Fabian, where are you? Like and subscribe to SoCal Plus Review.
This weekend, get out of the ordinary and step into the extraordinary as we go to Totoya restaurant. Located in beautiful San Juan, Capistrano, California, Totoya Sushi stays open until 9:30, and on this particular evening, we frequent it around 8 p.m. Located off of Rancho Vallejo Road, this simple-looking restaurant offers amazing quality food at a low price and a super friendly staff. When the waiter arrived, they asked me what I'd like to order, and I gave him my traditional reply of, "What's good here?" He said everything, so we ordered a little bit of everything, and we were not disappointed. At the end of the night, we finished with a couple glasses of Cabernet Sauvignon and met some new friends. Overall, I give this place an A+ and recommend it to anyone visiting the Orange County, San Juan Capistrano area. Be sure to check out our other Orange County reviews, including several we recently did on the Dana Point area. They have been placed in a playlist below for easy viewing pleasure.
Fabian, where the heck are you?
We're so sorry, ladies, that Fabian couldn't be here. We actually had to send him over to Dubai so he could do a review for us over there. Look for that shortly.